If you're tired of that one room in your house feeling like a sauna while the rest of the place is freezing, you're likely looking at a ductless mini split. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Before I spent 17 years in the dirt and attics of the HVAC service world, I was an electrician in nuclear power. I look at these machines differently than a salesman does. I look at the wiring, the boards, and how long they'll actually last when the heat is on. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the ACiQ Essentials Series, K-Series, and the Daikin Aurora Series. Now, since we're talking ductless, we aren't looking for heavy louvered steel cabinets or compressor blankets. In the mini split world, it's all about the chassis durability and protecting those thin aluminum fins. Both the ACiQ K-Series and the Daikin Aurora feature specialized coil coatings designed to prevent corrosion, which is vital if you live anywhere near the coast or in high moisture areas. These units have a remarkably compact footprint, giving you the mounting flexibility to put them on a high wall or tucked away on a small pad outside without eating up your yard space. Let's look under the hood. The ACiQ K-Series comes in with a solid 21.4 SEER, while the Daikin Aurora is a high efficiency beast at 27.4 SEER. Now, from my days as a nuke electrician, let me tell you why this matters. Both of these use inverter technology. Instead of your electrical meter spinning like a top every time a single stage compressor kicks on with a massive surge, these variable speed systems ramp up slowly. They sip power rather than gulping it, which is easier on your home's electrical panel and significantly lighter on your monthly power bill. Are you looking at these for a detached garage, a guest suite, or that one bonus room above the garage that's always 10 degrees too hot? Let me know in the comments what space you're trying to save. This is where the rubber meets the road. In my book, the best warranty is the one that actually keeps you from spending money. Daikin offers a strong 12-year parts and 12-year compressor warranty, but they don't offer a unit replacement. On the other hand, the ACiQ K-Series offers a 12-year compressor and 7-year parts warranty, but here's the kicker. They include a 1-year no-hassle unit replacement. If that compressor, the heart of the system, fails in the first year, ACiQ replaces the whole outdoor unit, not just the part. That tells me they've got the homeowners back. So who wins? If you want the absolute highest electrical efficiency on the market, the Daikin Aurora is tough to beat. But for most homeowners looking for the best overall value, build protection, and a warranty that actually protects your investment from day one, I'm giving the win to the ACiQ Essentials Series, K-Series. It's built like a tank and backed by a replacement guarantee that most brands just won't touch. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.